Hi guys, this is for the reading of our Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Tignan na natin kung anong meron sa ating mga Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Oh. 11, 2. Okay. Infinity 8 na exchanging, awakening, 5 of Cups. Okay. Okay guys. Meron ditong soul searching din kay kumbaga nakita na din niya yung liwanag ni Earth sign, okay? Kasi we are in the retrograde, okay? The Mercury retrograde is helping us to realize, okay, for the realization of any situation na kinakaharap natin ngayon, okay? Tinutulungan tayo ng ating retrograde. Although this is carrying so many toxic energy like negative argument, miscommunication, misunderstanding, okay? Andito rin kasi yung the temperance na parang nahihirapan kang magbalanse. Okay? But then, you truly pray din to universe, to God, na for whatever it is that happening to you right now, Earth sign, you're willing to reboot yourself. Kumbaga, willing ka na hanapin yung sarili mo upang mas lalo mo pang maintindihan yung mga bagay-bagay ngayon na kinakaharap mo. Para kasing nire-require dito ni universe, I have here the 9 of Cups. Okay? You need to release the heavy energy in you so that kasi magkaroon tayo ng awakening, which is this is the judgment, okay? Marami ka ng sign na nakita kay universe, marami na, pati sa panaginip meron na din. Kasi nandito din yung feeling mo before that you're in the 5 of Cups, something had left behind. Para kang naiwan, parang nadala ng tao na to yung puso mo, parang may nakasakit sa'yo sa one of your family na sobrang niyurakan yung pagkatao mo, okay? Ang heavy ng energy guys I have here the 2 of Pentacles din na kumbaga andito yung you're trying to balance the situation, pati yung emotion mo, tinatry mong i-balance, okay? Andito rin yung 4 of Wands, okay? I think, nafe-feel ko lang na marami nang nag-aya sa'yong lumabas, mag-unwind, ganyan, okay? And then, something is arriving or someone is arriving for you to take good care of you for the rest of your life. This will gonna be asking you for the long time commitment, which is the marriage, okay? May nakikita rin ako na some of you guys is meron nang nag-propose sa kanila ng kasal. Meron na ako nakikitang ring, meron na ako nakikitang engagement ring na suot-suot nila, okay? But still trying to balance the situation. Kumbaga kahit meron ng engagement dito na nangyari, may kasiyahan na ikaw yung tipo ng tao kasi earth sign na ayoko masyadong magpakasaya. Okay? Ayoko masyadong magpaka-kampante. Kasi hindi lahat ng araw pare-pareho. Gano'n si Earth sign. Kumbaga iniisip pa rin niya yung mangyayari in the future. Kasi, hindi pare-pareho yung araw, yes, totoo yun. Totoo yun. It's true, guys. Kasi, we have here the Infinity 8. Kumbaga, lahat ng energy, ma-exchange energy talaga yan. We have here the yin-yang, the black and white. Balanse talaga yan. So, hindi po pwedeng light ka lagi. Hindi po pwedeng swerte ka lagi. Hindi po pwedeng nananalo ka lagi. Hindi po pwedeng masaya ka lagi. Diba? So, kailangan talaga ready tayo for whatever is coming na hindi pa natin nalalaman. Okay? But then, you're still in the progress of the strategic, okay, the strategic moment. Kumbaga, alam mo naman yung ginagawa mo eh. Andito lang yung parang may scared moment. Parang natatakot ka. Ano pa kaya yung pwedeng mangyari? Ano pa kaya yung susunod? Ganyan. Okay? Yeah, I understand you. And then, yun lang guys. And if you want a personal reading about your reading, Earth sign, you can book a personal reading to me. Just direct message me here in my Facebook account. And then, yung pricing po natin is nasa wall ko na po. Nakapin post po sa pinakataas. And then, ayun lang po. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. God bless and good luck. Bye-bye.